X Thrill as well as hashtag BMW XSG to be able to redeem for your stamp. Lots of curious onlookers. This is an event that's open to public, by the way, so those of you who are watching from 313 can feel free to join us as well. It looks like there are a lot of barricades, right? But feel free to just walk on in. But of course, the action is all happening right now. Their eyes are not moving from the ramp. They're all just staring. Instagram ready. Gobi and our 3 guests are going to be going up the ramp. Going on, but it looks like he's giving them like a pep talk, just like, you'll be fine, don't worry. Looks like that's what's going on in the car right now. You have to admit, that is a really, really steep slope that you don't really get to see very often. Oh, and the car is up. But now, how is it going to get down? Okay, that's a big one. Let's just see the ramp change direction. It feels like he's just basking in it, you know? We're changing the ramp from an upslope to a downslope, and just to showcase that the BMW X5 has excellent intelligent hill descent capabilities. So you'll be able to notice that, a common problem that your cars might have will be that the front of the car would hit the ground, especially on such a steep slope like this. When going downhill, especially down your car paths, you always scrape the bottom of your car. But in this case, let's just take a look. Woo! And with that,